If you think that good looks are necessary to become attractive, then listen to the truth. In real life, the people who get the most respect, attention, and attraction are those people who people say that there is something different about them. They are neither models nor they have a perfect face, yet people are naturally attracted to them. Today, I will tell you 5 powerful habits that can make you attractive without looks. And any boy can follow these habits. Habit 1. Clear purpose. There is direction in life. Most boys are aimless. Their focus is on games, reels, time pass. But attractive boys are different. They have a goal, focus, direction. Whether it is studies, fitness, skills, or career. When a boy is busy making his life, his value automatically increases. Because people feel that he is not a time pass, but a serious person. Purpose makes you mysterious, and mystery equals attraction. Habit 2. The way you speak. Attractive people don't speak fast or loud. They speak slowly, clearly. They just say what is necessary. There is weight in what they say. Remember, smart people don't speak much. Powerful people speak right. Follow 3 simple rules. Don't interrupt, speak in a chill tone, maintain eye contact. When you speak in a composed way, people start taking you seriously, and seriousness equals attraction. Habit 3. Calm confidence. Attractive people are not loud, they are chill. They don't need to prove themselves everywhere. They don't argue unnecessarily. They don't react to everything. They don't try to impress everyone. Their vibe is, I know who I am. When you don't panic about every little thing, when you don't get shaken by people's opinions, when you are comfortable in yourself, people automatically notice you. Confidence doesn't mean attitude. Confidence means, I trust myself. Habit 4. Body language. Strong body language. 70% of attraction comes from your body language, not from face or clothes. Simple changes. Walk straight, don't bend, don't fidget, stay stable. And most importantly, avoid nervous movements. Like checking coffee again and again, looking here and there. Attractive people are still. Their presence is heavy. As soon as they enter the room, people feel that their vibe is strong. Habit 5. Emotional control. The most powerful habit. Emotional control. Weak boys react. Strong boys respond. Attractive people don't get angry quickly. Don't get offended at everything. Don't break from rejection. They know that ups and downs in life are normal. When you are emotionally stable, people feel safe around you. And safety equals attraction. People are attracted to those people who remain calm, even under pressure. Bonus point. The base of all habits is self-respect. If you respect yourself, then you won't waste time. You won't run after people. You will understand your value, and the world will also value you. To become attractive, you don't need a perfect face. You need confidence, purpose, communication, body language, emotional control. Work on these 5 habits, and people will notice for themselves that there is something special about this boy.